you can't get friendly with the doctor. Don't be taken in by his he's imagining how well you get within his home. Never smile at a doctor. Never dip your hat and stop to talk a while. Never run, walk away, say goodnight, not good day.
Oh, that's a cute outfit.
Never smile at Mr. Crocodile.
He's one of my videos.
You may barely well be well bred, lots of etiquette in your head, but there's always some special case, time or place to forget etiquette. For instance, if you meet a sad crocodile who looks sad and lonely in mind, he's just hungry that you can bet it's the time to forget